Hello everybody, MD Polo here at Range USA, and this is a completely improvised video. You may see difference in lighting and sound, but I was not expecting to find the new CZ Shadow2 Compact in the cabinet, in the case. So it was there and I said, well, it's the first one I've seen. I know they're getting calls every day about this gun, and if I wait to go home and get all my film gear and come over, it's not going to be here by the time I get back. So it comes in a regular CZ box, like you're used to seeing CZs. And thank you to Range USA here in Carmel, Indiana for allowing me to film this. And it's retailing here for $1,300, as you can see there. So that's a very fair price. I've seen them go for a lot more online. And it comes with two mags, CZ Shadow mags, and these are 15 round mags. As you can see there, comes with two, and you can get any CZ mag 75 or Shadow 2 will fit there. So that's what comes, and you also get some Allen wrenches here for adjust, and you get your book and manual and all that good stuff. So let's take this out of the box, and take a look at the Shadow 2 Compact. As always, we make sure that it's unloaded, and it is. So let's take a quick look at it. Shadow 2, if you know the Shadows, it is exactly the same thing, but smaller. And this is nothing but a first look, kind of like a guess what I found type of video. Oops, sorry about that. It's not anything else, but it just feels just like any other Shadow 2. Excellent, absolutely excellent CZ quality. You can see there the front and rear serrations. It is optics ready. Let the focus catch up. There it is. It is optics ready. And regrettably, you lose your rear sight, but it is optics ready. And one thing that I already love how they did is the mag release. You can see there that it's extended, textured, adjustable, and swappable. You can send it to the other side if you'd like. It's got wonderful texture on these flat aluminum grips, or you can also go to my friends over at Lock Grips and get their grips over there, which they make an enormous difference. And they also have the heavy brass if that's something you're interested in. You can see here it's got the checkering in the front. It's got somewhat of a mag well, not much. It's got the same nice checkering in the back, skeletonized hammer, textured, a little bit of serrations in the back. It's got serrations on top, fiber optic sight, a little bit raised. I'm not sure how deep the optic would sit here, but you might be able to get a good view up front. A 3-slot rail at the bottom, a little bit of texture around the trigger guard, and you've got a trigger guard. It is so ample, so much space here. You can drive a bus through there. A little bit of an undercut, and let's take a look in double action, the trigger in double action. Now this is an issue. I have medium-sized hands, and this is an issue that I have with most CZs, especially with the 75, the Shadows, because I have small hands. My reach to the trigger, it's always compromised. They do the trigger, they got the little hook, and the trigger is so far forward, the distance between the trigger and the tang back here, right under the beaver tail, which is, by the way, very well made, I can barely reach it. So you see, I got just the tip of my pad is right there, and it's a hard pull and double action for me because I can't really reach it. But once I'm in single action, no problem whatsoever. You see how far the trigger shoe goes a lot further back. So now I've got a perfect feel. Very, very nice. Smooth, very, very smooth. You can see it here. And then you're at the wall, and a smooth, soft break. And the reset, right there. You're immediately at the wall. It feels great. This gun feels absolutely wonderful in the hand. And one thing I think that they knocked it out of the ballpark is with this mag release. Not only works really well, but for my hands, it's in the perfect spot. So good job with a Shadow 2 in the Compact. So I wanted to give you a quick look. I'm not sure if this is going to go home with me or not. What do you guys think? Is this something that you would buy? Yes. Why? No. Why as well? And someone told me today, friend of the channel, he's lent me a couple of his guns, Adam, that Cajun Gunworks makes a trigger kit that actually shortens the distance of the trigger shoe and makes it an easier double action pull. So I don't know if you guys know about that. If you can let me know how it works, if you have experience with that. But there it is. Thanks to Range USA for letting me film the Shadow 2 Compact here at their facilities. So I look forward to your comments. Let me know what you think of the CZ Shadow 2 Compact. And again, this is the only one that has come in locally, and I'm very, very happy that I got a chance to review it. Not review it, just have a first look. I look forward to your comments. Please remember that I upload videos every Friday morning, and when I can, on Wednesday mornings as well. I'm very active on Instagram, although I'm trying to be less active there because of their censorship. And I did start Twitter. I think they called it X now. So if you can give me a follow there, help me build that, I would appreciate it. Once again, thank you so much for stopping by. And until the next time, God bless.